The oceans, that make up 70% of the surface of our blue planet, are the highways along which much of the global economy moves, and which help to carry, transport and distribute the supplies that all nations throughout the continents require. In the north of South America is Colombia, a country privileged by its strategic location at both the Atlantic and the Pacific Ocean, a necessary point of intersection for the main merchant routes surrounding our planet. And it is here, in one of its regions, that we are located, in the city of Buenaventura, where more than 50% of Colombian imports and exports pass through. Welcome to Ventura Group, an organization specialized in providing comprehensive solutions for the loading, unloading, storage, and nationwide distribution of general cargo, solid bulk, and minerals in the maritime terminal of Buenaventura, through 4 specialized business units in tune with our customers' needs. Our first business unit is OPP Graneles, which has a 225-meter-long wharf and all the necessary infrastructure for the unloading of solid bulk by means of pneumatic, hydraulic, and mechanical systems. In silos and warehouses, a complex system of conveyor belts stores more than 900 metric tons of product to be loaded onto trucks or railway wagons in 12 different locations, with a certified weight for each customer order. Grupo Portuario is our second business unit in Ventura Group. Located in Pier 13 with a 200-meter-long wharf. As a multi-purpose wharf, it has the ability to handle all types of cargo, thanks to its wide operating zone and its 9,100 square meter broad warehouse area. It also has 3 ship loaders for minerals with a capacity of up to 1,400 tons per hour. With over 25 years of experience, InAtlantic is the business unit that functions as a port operator specializing in the handling of general cargo, together with the import and export of minerals such as coal, from its extraction, storage, transportation, and ship loading. Our fourth business unit is BGP, an operator specializing in the handling of freight logistics and its transport nationwide. It supports all the other units in Ventura Group and operates as the conducting wire that brings together the whole business group. 4 business units designed to provide a comprehensive and efficient logistics platform which improves customer profitability, and with an infrastructure which is set in motion with each vessel that arrives. These operations are supported by permanent real-time monitoring, as well as a strict control of the vehicle fleet and its drivers, for whom we have created the ZOL, Logistic Operations Zone, within the vicinity of the port. The ZOL has all the amenities to meet the needs of the driver, together with shift scheduling, which makes a small contribution to decongesting the port, as well as considerably decreasing the waiting time for trucks. This not only improves the country's competitiveness, but also contributes to cleaner air by reducing carbon emissions due to unnecessary stops. It is this same environmental concern which we have been working on with dedication and commitment through our Ética Verde, or Green Ethics Foundation, by means of community awareness programs for the protection of forests and water resources. We promote alternative, cleaner production through nature-friendly practices. With this philosophy in mind, we constantly work for concrete actions that mitigate the environmental impact of all our port operations. Ética Verde is carrying out the GES project in partnership with other companies in the port as well as with private and state organizations which work for the community, searching for a common meeting and participation space to improve living conditions in some parts of the city of Buenaventura. As a corporate social responsibility, Ventura Group and Fond Gualanera, its employee fund, offer alternatives to improve the housing and quality of life of its members and their families, under different participation and cooperation programs, which help them meet their goals and aspirations. A dream that began in 1985 is now a reality that has been perfected over time, by always taking one step ahead. But nothing of what we are today would have been possible without our most valuable asset, our people. People who are committed to their work and who have a great sense of belonging to the interests of the organization and to those who are our reason for being, our customers, as well as to our business partners and shareholders who are aware of the great responsibility that our operations require. We may be a small part of the logistics chain of our nation, but our operation triggers a high percentage of that nation's economy. 8 out of 10 Colombians use or are supplied with a product that has been unloaded in our docks. This is the slogan that we all carry in our hearts with pride. With the arrival of each new ship that sets in motion our whole operation, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. We will continue to grow, to anticipate the needs of our customers, to innovate and evolve, to offer more job opportunities and specialize in what we really like to do, building the logistics of the future which never stops. Welcome to Ventura Group, building the logistics of the future.